Jean-Claude Van Camper here. Oldest friend had a nice idea to wrap up this week that we had in Wales with a van camper at our nice little spot out Goathland way. Unfortunately, on his way to meet me at our meeting spot, his suspension has gone on the left hand side there. He felt it, he heard it go as he went over like a bumpy thing in the road. Damn it. So what we're doing is I'm following him back and going to stay at his for the night, but I just want to make sure he gets back alright. I know we've got this little nutter in the way. Right, yeah, bit of fun. Hopefully, I had so many plans to test out this drone a bit further. I wanted to do some flights across the valley where we stay, all that kind of thing, do a bit of distance test. Nevertheless, oldest friend lives near an area where we can go and fly, so we'll probably end up going out and flying the drone. So I might show you, well, I probably will show you some footage after this. So you might remember this little bit of the road from just a few seconds ago.
That grade have just passed on the right.
That was what did it?
Yeah.
Such a shame this, because it's a beautiful day. Oh, well, these things happen. As we've just been saying, so glad this didn't happen in Wales. Oldest friend doesn't have breakdown cover, the numpty. So yeah, if this had happened in Wales, it would have been a very big problem. We've got 26 miles to go, 25 miles from here back to Selby. I hope it makes it. The bit that I'm not looking forward to on this road is pulling out onto the A64. God, it's awful. How long will we be sat here before we can get out? Might not be too bad. Oldest friend can get to the middle after this blue car, which he's doing. I can probably sneak in alongside him. Hey, we're gonna do it. We're out. That wasn't as hideous as I thought. There's no rush, dude. If you want to just pootle along at around 40, that's fine by me.
10-4. I think we're alright at this one. She's not making rattling noises as bad as we were on the other road, at least.
Fair enough. Well, we've made it back, and yeah, it was all okay. I recorded that trip in hyperlapse, might have shown you a bit of that. I'm no doubt he's quite relieved. So this is where I'm camping tonight.
It's a house camp.
House camp. We've had a couple of beers, and we're going out to fly the drones for a bit. So I'm going to include this footage. This is the Potensic Atom that I've got. I haven't talked an awful lot about this, but I might do while we're out.
When we had that wind.
So I've got the Potensic 3-axis gimbal drone, and what comes with this nice little carry bag. This is with the Fly More combo version. Inside there you get loads of gubbins as props and leads for apples, all that kind of thing. I'll be using the Android lead. Battery pack, there are 3 batteries, one of them's in the drone. Very good. Controller, carry strap, and then the main event. So let's get this thing in the air.
You're nicking out satellites.
Right, so I had a bit of fun with that. I managed to fly it over Selby Abbey, as you'll have seen from the footage. Yeah, and that was about half a kilometre away from where I am. And then I did a few flyabouts, a little bit of low flying along this track that we're on and across the field and so on. And then I tried out a few of the quick shots mode, and I put text on them just so that you can see which one's which. I don't know whether I caught any of that, but oldest friend's drone while we were out, his DJI, it suddenly went a bit nuts and it lost a prop mid-flight. Whoops.
Not only that, but after we got a new prop put back on, took it up again, it just lost control and started going upwards. Oh, Jesus Christ. So phone, car, drone. Anything else want to go wrong now that I've turned 50? Did you know that I'm 50? Do you know I've got a hurty knee as well? Oh, it's not that boring.
It's the next morning. We're going back out to fly drones again. So this hasn't been quite the camp finish that we planned. But still, we've had a laugh. We watched Deadpool and Wolverine last night and had a few beers. Winner.
You got it.
I am the drone holder. Right, oldest friend had some problems with his yesterday. Let's hope he doesn't have them today.
What are you doing?
Low flyover.
Right. A little bit low.
Yeah. Let's record. That wasn't bad.
Yeah.
Which will be the better view? Yeah, I don't know, I'll just give it a go anyway because I've done this one. Go, that's doing it now. Don't know how high.
There it goes. There's an airplane on your 3, but it's higher than that.
Yeah. Yeah, if this plane's coming in at 30-40 metres, we're screwed anyway.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, right on the cow pat.
Thankfully not on the camera.
Yeah, well, it did. Camera at the cow pat.
So whilst the van camp turned out to be a bit of a no-go, at least I got to try out the drone a little bit and to show you a little bit about it too. As I say, it's called the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal drone, and it's a serious rival for the DJI Mavic Mini series. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. So I had it flown out for about half a kilometre today. Not far, but over the Abbey and so on. Got up to the Abbey yesterday, over the Abbey today. Yeah, cracking little bit of kit. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. Planning on doing some stuff across the water when I get more proficient with it, with the boys when we're kayaking, that kind of thing. I think we should be able to get some interesting and good shots there. Anyway, that's all for this little video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Wales videos. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.